guys, it's Brad with outlawwhips.com, Marine and RV LED. We are back and better than before with our awesome LED whips that everybody's familiar with, but now we're expanding our product line into marine and pontoon and dock lighting along with RV light kits. And that's what we're here to talk about today. So now with all these kits, you can go anywhere with our products. So what we're going to talk about today is our RV light kits. That's what we have here on the table in front of us. This is our 16 puck kit for RV. It's a 2-channel controller that I'm going to show you that comes in our kit here. In each kit, you're going to get our harness with remote control, but this is also an app-based controller also. So those of you that like to do the app-based, you can do that, but if you're like me and kind of old school with the handheld controller, this gives you all the cool functions: on and off remote, brightness, single color selection, your mode. It also has some music settings also. The cool thing about this is our wiring kit comes with an inline power fuse, so that if you ever have any issues, nothing's going to backfeed into your puck kits and create any damage. Comes with our terminal rings on the end already, so you can hook them straight to your 12-volt source. But the very cool fancy thing is that we've put a inline switch so that you can mount this with our double-sided tape inside your storage compartments inside the RV. Anywhere that's easily accessible for you, you can stick this and turn your puck lights on and off. This is our 2-channel kit. Each channel is able to operate 8 pucks. Okay, so you're able to daisy chain these pucks together to create the awesome effect that you have here going on in front of you. The pucks are mounted with, you can use double-sided tape, or they come with hardware, so you can drill holes, mount them into whatever you're trying to mount them into. If you go on our videos and our pictures, you'll see that we've mounted them into the side skirting on our RV. And don't be alarmed if you have a super large RV like we use, toy hauler style. You can option for our extension harnesses so that you can get that extra length in between each puck. Each puck comes wired with 6 foot on one side and a 1 foot lead on the other side. And as you all know, we try to make everything as waterproof and durable as possible. So now all of our kits come with the barrel plugs with the O-ring and waterproof screw type connectors. So you'll be set and ready to go. This installation is super easy. You and your buddies can come over and y'all can have this done in just a couple hours straight and be ready to hit the road and go show off your lights. So check us out, outlawwhips.com, or you can Google outlawwhips.com Marine and RV LED, or you can Google search Outlaw Whips RV puck kits. We appreciate it and hope to see you out on the road soon.